Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download Microsoft SQL Server into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply come over into your Google Chrome browser or any of your preferable browser, and then here you can simply type Microsoft, this kind of interface over here. And then you just need to click on this SQL Server downloads, and from here you will get, by scrolling down a little bit, you will get this option called Express. So we will going to download the Microsoft SQL Server Express version. So we're going to click on download, and you can see the download is completed. And now we're going to minimize the browser, going to drag down the download over here. And then now we're going to click on it 2 times. Click yes for the permission. And here is SQL Server 2022 Express Edition download interface over here. So we're going to download basic. So if you click on basic, click I accept to the license agreement. If you want to change the install location, you can simply check it, but I'm going to leave it as it is, and then simply click on install. And now you can see the downloading install package is started. So it will take some more minutes to install and download, so keep patience. And you can see that installation is completed, and now it's an Express Edition. So for that, you just need to click on install SSMS. So if you click on that, then you will get a link over here and click on the download SSMS. So if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the download option over here called download SQL Server Management Studio. So if you click on that, you can see the download has been started and it's about 473 MB. So for that, keep patience. And you can see your SSMS setup enu.exe is downloaded. And now what you can do, just simply drag down it into this desktop, and now you can close it. So I'm going to close it right now. So here is your SSMS. So if you click on it 2 times, they are showing that Microsoft SQL Server Management is already installed. So if I just click on repair, click yes for the permission, and now they are going to loading package, and please wait. And now you can see that restart required in order to complete setup. So now they are recording for our restart. So I'm going to click on the restart, but before that I'm saying this is how you can download and install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm going to click on restart. So this is how you can download. So much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.